All right, here we are with another episode of Spice Isle Cafe. We're in Antigua, and so we have Chef Carol still on probation, depends on how she does today. And of course, Head Chef Neil behind the cameras right now. That's why I can't get my hands dirty. Anyhow, I'm going to have Chef Carol work on a few things. One of them is going to be some Starfruit juice, and you can tell them the rest.
Okay, of course. Hi everyone, we're in the country of Antigua. Woohoo! It's actually Neil's country, okay?
Head Chef Neil.
So we are going to do some carambola juice. Some people call it starfruit, as well as, what's the other name? There's about 3 names. So we'll get the 3rd name.
You put 5 fingers. That's what Charles means.
As you can see, there are 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's simple. Simple ingredients. All you need is the 5 fingers, preferably ripe. You have sugar and a little bit of lemon juice, or squeeze 1 lemon, or the pure lime, and that will be fine. And I have some water boiling, so after I cut up these, I'm going to throw it in there so it can get soft, and we'll go from there.
So, Chef Carol, why don't you show the people how you're cutting up the 5 finger?
I just cutting it up. Nothing fancy to that.
Wow, that looks good. That's like my kind of handiwork. Yeah?
No, who's doing the cutting? I am doing the cutting.
Come, we're talking too much.
Okay, here, this is very juicy here, people. Look at this. Look at this goodness
of
right here.
course, it's juicy. It's from Antigua. Look at everything from Antigua is juicy and sweet.
I don't know about that, because I'm sure this was...
Come, too much talking. Let's go.
Okay, so I am here cutting this up. I'm going to put it in the boiling water over there, just so that it can get nice and tender.
All right. All right, Chef Carol, I think it's about time for you to strain it.
Yes, I am. Okay. So, guys, if you have a blender or you have a juicer, you can just juice this. I just boil this to get soft, so then I can mash it up and really get the true juice out of that. So I just strain in the water I boil it in, which is here, and now I'm going to just mash this up, and then I'm going to strain it over that and add all the fixings.
Right, cool. So, assistant, let's see how it looks when you're... I'm sorry, chef. I keep forgetting that you're only on probation.
Give me my
how
true
it looks
title, okay?
When you're mashing it up.
So I only mash this up because traditionally you'd use the juicer or something like that. I'm using this method here. You can use your hands.
What if I don't have a juicer?
You just use your hands and mash this up, but you have to make sure you
like
get it soft.
Can you tell me about it while you're doing it, or
no.
you have to like stop to talk?
I have to stop to talk because you're disturbing me. Oh my goodness,
come on, put some elbow grease in that. Put some elbow grease in that.
So I'm gonna do a second strain and make sure I get this in there.
All right. Come, move your body. Move your body.
I need to strain it over there. So.
Cool. All right, come. Let me help you strain the thing, because you just here wasting time.
Oh my goodness! Yeah, just press this down a bit so we can get
I know
all,
what I'm doing. You
all
have to
the
press
goodness.
the juice out. Excuse me.
I don't
on the other
understand.
side.
I tell you, this guy's a character.
Okay, you have to ease up the pot now. Let me press down.
Oh my goodness!
Can't do everything all at once.
Okay, make sure the people see in and
No, pause.
Okay.
Okay. All right, come.
I need to see that fast.
All right. Go.
All right, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the lemon juice here. So it's like the juice of 1 lemon, really. I'm gonna put a little bitters.
What kind of bitters are those? Are those the ones I gave you?
Oh, come on.
You don't even know what kind of bitters that you're using. What kind of essence that is?
Extract.
What kind of
this
vanilla
one is
extract?
supposed to be like a mixed one.
Okay.
And I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar or whatever you have available. This is about a cup, so let's see if that will be sweet enough. when I pour it in.
I normally use like 3 to 4 cups, but I guess we're gonna settle for this. So here we have, what is this, the finished product?
Yep.
All
this
right.
is the finished product here. You
More
have,
and more, this is starting to look like my work of art. But,
maybe my work of art.
but tell the people what you have done.
Okay, so this is just star apple, and I have the ice, and I pour the juice in. And
All
that's
right.
it.
That's it. So, but you know, the people need to know the real name. It's carambola. I can't teach you
So
everything.
there are 3 names:
and
Starfruit,
the 5 finger, but
and 5
you're
fingers.
coming along.
Anyway.
All right. So
Until next time, my people.
you know, I can tell them you love them.
Bye.
All right. All right.